A very good morning to all those who have gathered here for the Inter-School MIME, Multiple Intelligences in Me event, Apotheosis, hosted virtually by Sun City School Sector 54 Gurugram. We would first invoke the blessings of Goddess Saraswati by lighting the lamp of knowledge. When this lamp is lit, darkness of ignorance is dispelled, leading us to the path of knowledge. May I now request our director, Ms. Rupa Chakravarti, to light the lamp. Ma'am, please.
Thank you, ma'am, for the auspicious lighting of the lamp and starting the day off with such positivity. A very good morning to all. We have gathered here today to motivate and inspire young minds to showcase their talent. In these COVID times, it is a matter of pride that we at Sun City are conducting the very first online MI Me event, which goes beyond the school curriculum and encourages students to use their talents and strengths to learn and interact with each other. I, Ishika Agrawal, the head girl, on behalf of Sun City School, would like to extend a warm welcome to all of you for this inter-school multiple intelligence and me, that is MIME event. We heartily welcome our esteemed guests and our panel of judges. A professional with an evolved career spanning nearly 30 years, Miss Pragati Agarwal has enriched herself with the aesthetics and various nuances of many forms of art, besides learning all the marketing approaches to selling and promoting it. She was instrumental in bringing Bruno Art Group of Israel to India, among others. It remains one of her most prized achievements. Pragati Agarwal, with the right eye or ability to visually identify artists and quality, possesses an entrepreneurial spirit that few could boast of. It was with this dream that she conceived and established Art Tree, an initiative to promote art and artists nearly 5 years ago. We feel honored to have you with us today, ma'am. Welcome. Though born and raised in Chennai, Miss Rema Kumar only visits the city on certain occasions. But when she does, the Delhi-based designer brings her with her a melange of weaves and textile crafts from across all the artisan groups she has engaged with. In a career spanning over 2 decades, Miss Rema has collaborated with weavers from Balrampur, Kanchipuram, Ponduru, Champa, Chanderi, and beyond 15 states and 38 clusters to be exact, to create hand-woven saris, dupattas, stoles, shawls, and yardage, all of which are part of the festive pop-up she has curated for the city. Besides the textile and design interventions that she continues to carry out across the country, Rema Kumar has authored the book Journey with the Divine Feminine. The book includes excerpts from her design journey. We welcome you, ma'am. We warmly welcome Ms. Preeti Raj Gharia, one of the judges of the calisthenics event. Ma'am is proficient in Bharatanatyam and a dance aficionado since her childhood. She is a gold medalist with post-graduation degree in Bharatanatyam from Prachin Kala Kendra, Chandigarh. She is associated with MADA, Megastar Academy of Dramatics Art, Gurgaon. Ms. Preeti Raj Gharia is the director of Margam Nrityalaya. She has a work experience of more than 25 years in choreography and has worked with prestigious schools. Dance is the hidden language of soul, and her academy aims to bring about the comprehensive development of children through this media. Thank you for being here with us today. We also have with us today Mr. Sanjay Singh Rana. Please accept our heartfelt welcome and gratitude for consenting to judge the calisthenics event today. His vision is to impact lives with his passion for art and to spread his belief that with focus, determination, passion, and fire, dreams turn into reality. Mr. Rana started dancing at an early age, but his professional career took flight with the Dance Works Performing Arts Academy, New Delhi, India in 2002, where he acquired advanced training in various dance styles. He has performed in various films like You, Me or Hum, directed by Ajay Devgan. DD Metro Awards and Reebok are a few names from the long list that Sir has choreographed for. We welcome you, sir. Our judges for the Making Connections event are Ms. Saleha Singh and Professor Kajori Sen. Ms. Saleha Singh is a communications professional with more than 20 years experience in external and internal communications. Over this period, she has worked in the government, not-for-profit, financial, disability, education, and higher education sectors. Her skills include writing and editing, newsletters, magazines, annual reports, websites, and social media content, white papers, report cards, and product disclosure statements for organizations and freelance. Currently, she's a podcaster, hosting 2 live shows and a recorded show weekly as part of her Chai Chat and Community and Kolkata Chats. Chai Chat and Community showcases the work done by community members, not covered by generalist media. Kolkata Chats is about nostalgia. Madam Saleha does this pro bono. Thank you so much, ma'am, for being here to judge the event. Professor Kajori Sen is an assistant professor and assistant dean with Jindal Global University in the School of Journalism and Communication and is writing her first novel as well. She's been a news anchor and a reporter for a decade, starting her career with NDTV Profit as an output editor. She moved to the main news channel shortly thereafter, covering key beats like civil aviation, tech, and auto. She also anchored the breakfast news on NDTV 24/7. In 2011, she moved to England as NDTV's foreign correspondent and reported on key international issues, including the news of the world scandal and London riots. She also worked for CNN News 18 as an associated business editor, reporting on macroeconomic political issues and anchoring prime-time shows. We welcome you, ma'am. Mr. Vamsidhar Lanka identifies himself as an experiential learning educator and facilitator. An alumni of the premier universities of the country, he discovered his niche to work in the education space during his master's and credits his teachers for inspiring him. Over the last 7 years, he has worked extensively with students, driving inside and outside classroom spaces. He has also been a faculty member at a renowned university in Punjab. He is currently associated with Calido Learning, a Mumbai-based education company where he manages the implementation of 21st century skills programs and leads the training across national and international schools in India and abroad. An ardent advocate of Howard Gardner's theory of multiple intelligences, he identifies verbal, logical, kinesthetic, and interpersonal as his dominant abilities. Mr. Vamshi has a strong liking for food and cooks in his free time and makes great biryani and goes by the handle of @biryani-connoisseur on Instagram. We welcome you, sir. We are honored to have with us Mr. Ananj Prasad, who has kindly consented to be one of the judges for the Design Thinking event. Mr. Prasad is a gold medalist chemical engineer from Mumbai University and an alumnus of Cornell University, USA. Post his graduation, he founded SkillSphere Education, a pan-Asian organization that focuses on the development of communication skills, general awareness, critical thinking, and other 21st century skills for students of grade 3 to the students at graduation level. Skills Fear's different education programs and initiatives are being conducted for over 75,000 students in over 30 cities across Asia. He currently manages a team of over 100 motivated individuals from different walks of life. He is a passionate public speaking coach, soft skills trainer, public speaker, TEDx speaker, and quiz master. In his free time, Mr. Ananj is a voracious reader and loves watching sports of all kinds. We welcome you amidst us, sir. We would also like to welcome the instructors and dear companions of such incredible and capable young minds. We have various schools participating. We have Scottish High, Bluebells Model School Sector 4, DAV Public School Sector 14, Amity International School Sector 43, GD Goenka Public School, St. Venkateshwar Dwarka, Mayo College Ajmer, Lotus Valley Noida, DPS Sushant Lok, Sansadi School 37D, Bluebell Sector 10, Cambridge International DAV Pushpanjali, Lotus Valley Shivnadar, and last but not the least, the host school, Sansadi School Sector 54. On this occasion, I would like to advise all the participants who are representatives of their schools to participate in the true spirit of sportsmanship, as the ultimate victory in a competition is derived from the inner satisfaction of knowing that you have done your best and got most out of what you have performed. Remember that opportunity knocks at the door of every individual, but the one who recognizes it is the real winner and goes up in life. Hence, every participant here is a winner, irrespective of any result. So be positive and be a good sport, because there is no life without sport and no sport without competition. Once again, I would like to welcome and thank all of you for taking your time to make this occasion a very successful and memorable one. Good luck to all the participants and thank you.
There are 5 competitions to stimulate and challenge students' minds in today's competition: making connections based on linguistic intelligence, art to astound based on intrapersonal and naturalistic intelligence, design thinking related to musical intelligence and technological know-how, calisthenics that showcases kinesthetical intelligence, and VUCA, volatile, uncertain, complex, and ambiguous based on logical thinking.
Before our participants enter that domain, Vanya, let's set the impetus by watching our graceful dancers depict through their moves the victory of good over evil. In Indian classical dance, form seeks to merge with the formless. Motions seek to become a part of the motionless, and the dancer becomes one with the eternal dance of the cosmos. We now present to you a graceful expression of the spirit of life, Vasudev Kutumbakam. Whenever the evil tries to ravage the earth, the divine energy evolves to negate the unconstructiveness. The power of goodness and truth is omnipresent. Our dancers present before you the Dash Avatar.
जब भी मानव पर कोई बड़ा संकट आता है, जब भी मानव पर कोई बड़ा संकट आता है और मानवता जीवन भी त्रासद है, होती धराशायी अवधारणा, होती धराशायी अवधारणा, जान माल पर आती आफत है। जब सर्वोच्च उद्धार करता आता है, जो सभी सीमाओं, तर्कों और अवरोधों से परे होता है, जब शैतान इंसान या जानवर द्वारा नहीं मारा जाता है, जब शैतान इंसान या जानवर द्वारा नहीं मारा जाता है, तो पालन करता एक शरीरकार में बुराई मिटाने आता है। जब रात घनेरी छा जाती है, जब रात घनेरी छा जाती है, जब मुसीबत और घृणा ब्रह्मांड को कब जाती है, सज्जन की आशा मृत पाई जाती है, तो उद्धारकर्ता उन्हें जीवित करने शांति दूत बन विश्व में उजियारी धूप बन आता है।
अधर्मस्य तदात्मानं सृजाम्यहम्।
धर्म कोई समुदाय नहीं, धर्म कोई कर्म कांड नहीं, धर्म कोई पोथी भी नहीं और धर्म कोई वेशभूषा या जाति भी नहीं। धर्म तो है जो तुम्हारे मन ने सत धारण किया, स्वार्थ परार्थ का भेद नहीं जिया, परिवार, देश, समाज और फिर पूरे विश्व का हित ही जब मन धारण करता है तो वह सच्चा मानव धर्म बन जाता है। संकुचित वीथिका से निकल परहित में भूमर्म हो जाता है। तन मनुष्य का पर मनुष्यता का तो विचार करें। आओ वसुधा का मिलकर प्रेम श्रृंगार करें। आओ हम तुम सच्चे धर्मशील बने। आओ हम तुम सच्चे धर्मशील बने। अंधेरे तुम कितने खूबसूरत हो जो आशा देते हो उजाले की। रात के बाद भोर सुहानी सदा। रास्ते तुम कितने सच्चे हो जो मंजिल देते लक्ष्य की। अनुभव की सच्ची कक्षा। पहाड़ तुम कितने दयावान जो ऊंचे होकर भी सुरक्षा देते हो। ऊंचाई की नम्रता। ओ बहती नदियां तुम कितनी प्यारी हो जो बिना रुके बिना थके चलना सिखाती हो। संघर्षों की महानता। अरे ओ दरिया तुमसे मिलकर हमने विराट होना सीखा है और झरने तुमने हमें देना सिखाया है। झरझर की निर्मलता। मां वसुंधरा तुम कितनी सहनशील हो जो हमारे पांव की चोट सहकर भी भरती हो हमारे अंदर सुंदरता। सिखाती हो हमें बिना रुके सृजन। ओ मां हम तुम्हारे प्यारे बच्चे तुम्हें क्या दे। हाथों में हाथ लेकर सम्मिलित हंसी दे या मां तोड़ दे सारी सरहदें जो तुम्हें तुमसे ही अलग करती हो। या लिख दे तुम्हारे दिल पर वसुधैव कुटुंबकम। वसुधैव कुटुंबकम।
Now that is what I would call a well-synchronized performance, won't you, Vaibhav? May I now request our head boy, Anish Singhal, to introduce the presentation on multiple intelligences. Anish, over to you.
Good morning to one and all present here. I am Anish Singhal from class 11. We gather here today virtually for the Multiple Intelligence Meet or the MIME. All the activities for today have been designed on this online platform to develop the multiple intelligences of the participants by exposing them to different activities that require the application of different skills. Let us discuss the theory of multiple intelligence. Multiple intelligence proposes the differentiation of human intelligence into specific modalities of intelligence rather than defining it as a single general ability. The theory of multiple intelligence challenges the idea of a single IQ, where human beings have one central computer where intelligence is housed. Howard Gardner, the Harvard professor who originally proposed the theory, says that there are multiple types of human intelligence, each representing different ways of processing information. The 8 established types are verbal linguistic, logical mathematical, musical rhythmic, body kinesthetic, visual spatial, interpersonal, intrapersonal, and naturalistic. Let us discuss these types individually. Verbal linguistic intelligence. People who are strong in linguistic verbal intelligence can use words well, both when writing and speaking. These individuals are typically very good at writing stories, memorizing information, and reading. Logical mathematical intelligence. People who are strong in logical mathematical intelligence are good at reasoning, recognizing patterns, logically analyzing problems. These individuals tend to think conceptually about numbers, relationships, and patterns. Musical rhythmic intelligence. People who have strong musical intelligence are good at thinking in patterns, rhythms, and sounds. They have a strong appreciation for music and are often good at musical compositions and performances. Body kinesthetic intelligence. Those who have high bodily kinesthetic intelligence are said to be good at body movement, performing actions, and physical control. People who are strong in this area tend to have excellent hand-eye coordination. Visual spatial intelligence. People who are strong in visual spatial intelligence are good at visualizing things. These individuals are often good with directions as well as maps, charts, videos, and pictures. Interpersonal intelligence. Those who have interpersonal intelligence are good at understanding and interacting with other people. These individuals are skilled at accessing emotions, motivations, desires, and intentions of those around them. Intrapersonal intelligence. Individuals who are strong are good at being aware of their own emotional states, feelings, and motivations. They tend to enjoy self-reflection and analysis, including daydreaming, exploring relationships with others, and assessing their personal strengths. Naturalistic intelligence. Individuals who are high in this type of intelligence are more in tune with nature and are often interested in nurturing, exploring the environment, and learning about other species. These individuals are said to be highly aware of even subtle changes in their environment. All of us have our own talents. We are all different from one another. We are all unique and special. We are smart in different ways. One way is not better than the other. Keeping this thought in mind, I would like to wish all the participants the best of luck for their activities. Thank you.
Thank you for that enlightening presentation, Anish. Now, I would like to inform you that today's events has participants from 4 groups. Group 1, that is participants from class 10 and 11.
Group 2 with participants from classes 8 and 9.
Group 3 with participants from classes 6 and 7.
And Group 4 with participants from classes 4 and 5.
The aim is to go through myriad activities and get the opportunity to create and innovate. The essence of this event is the ability to think on one's feet, prepare and present in the given time span.
This is for all individual participants to keep in mind that they are to log in only during their assigned time slot. On that note, I wish all of the participants the very best of luck. Thank you and have a great day.